Look at each other stupid. It's the move. It's to the list. Very and breast. And I have the ranch. Okay with it. Now, hey, classy people. Welcome back to the channel. Start of a new vlog. Sunday. I'm off tomorrow because it's Martin Luther King Day. Hallelujah. So glad for what he did and that I don't have to go to work. What am I doing? I am cooking bacon and sausage. It's like 2:30 in the afternoon, and I'm sitting here eating some Tate's Bake Shop cookies. I sure am. Richard just went upstairs because he wants to watch the game, and my hair is smashed. So that's why I got my bonnet on, sis. Okay. What are y'all doing today? Have you seen the planner video? It is live. I put my planner video up, and now I want to kind of go over what I need to get as far as shopping is concerned. What do I have left is the question. Okay. Last week with the meal plan, I think I did pretty kind of okay, as far as staying on target with what I said I wanted to get. So let me get my little book. Okay, did I ever show y'all this over here? Let me cut the lamp on, okay? Because I actually put my cookbooks over here. These are some of my cookbooks, my mom's cookbooks, and I put them over here. And that's what I use this little nook for. So let me show you. That's what I put over here. It's just a little lamp. This is the refrigerator. And got a little weekly meal plan shopping list right there. Got a cute little lamp. I got my little bookend. Let's fix her. Got a little bookend right there. And she's holding all the cookbooks. Okay. And this is the junk drawer. I actually got this from At Home. I love this little thing. This keeps me super organized, and this reminds me I need to send my sister Marianne a picture of this and see if this is going to work for her because she needs some of these. So let me do that right now. Get this meal plan. So what did we say last week? Okay, this is what we said. So, this was kind of like, just like a little brain dump of what we could possibly do. The chicken casserole we did do. Hamburgers we did do. We did that Friday night. Chicken wings, we did chicken wings. Beans and Franks was actually an item I did for my husband's lunch. Subs with soup, we did not do. Shrimp bowls, we did not do. I still have the shrimp bowls. Chicken ranch, we can still do because I have boneless, skinless chicken, tenders, and breast, and I have the ranch. Ranch potatoes, we did do. French onion soup, we did not. Biscuits, I bought biscuits. This was like the list that if you've seen that video where I was talking about what I got from Food Line, that's pretty much things that I need to buy in order to be able to do this. So now what we need to do, we need to plan this week right here. Let's get it. Let's see what we got in here. What we got in here, girls. Let's check and see. What's it looking like? We got some ground beef. Okay, Richard can't eat that. He doesn't eat beef. We've got ground chicken. So we could actually do burgers again. Or we could do meatballs, whatever. Now, this is a bag of raw shrimp. So we can definitely do something with that. What else we got? We got 2 chicken breasts right there. This is 2 chicken breasts right there. 2 chicken breasts right there. So this is from that chicken that I purchased from Food Lion. That's what that is. We've got some broccoli right there. We got some green beans, open green beans. That's bananas. I think that's bananas. Yep, that's frozen bananas. What is this? Chicken. Yep. Chicken. So it seems like it's going to be a chicken menu. All right, so let's decide what we're going to do. I feel like I look super ashy. I don't have, wow. I don't have any lotion on my face. I use shea butter anyway. I don't have any shea butter on my face. Let's decide what we're going to do. We're going to definitely do the shrimp bowls. Okay, we got to go to Aldi, and I've got to get that teriyaki sauce because that stuff was so good, okay? So I know from Aldi, I'm going to get the teriyaki. Okay, so we're going to put that down. That's one thing I know I got to buy. All right, I feel like we need to have shrimp bowls. Definitely. I feel like we should do the ranch chicken because I didn't do the ranch chicken. Okay, the ranch chicken is quite simple to do. It requires ranch seasoning, ranch dressing, cream cheese, chicken, and some form of noodle. It's not hard at all. So let's do the ranch chicken. And, you know, we can have some type of side, green beans or something. I do have Brussels sprouts in there, and they need to be cooked. So I'm going to have to do Brussels sprouts with something. We're going to just, for right now, we're going to say barbecue chicken and Brussels sprouts and potatoes, because I got potatoes in there. Remember those russet potatoes that were free? I think they were 39 cents a pound. Coming to figure out, the cashier didn't even ring them up. So, girl, didn't hurt my feelings. Thank you for my blessing. Okay. I try to also incorporate, I feel like we need to do French onion soup, okay? The reason why I like French onion soup is because I like French onion soup. And beyond that, it is simple to make. It's just beef and onion soup mix and onions, okay? And garlic. So it's not hard to make. And I also use some type of bread, you know, kind of a tight kind of bread, like a French bread or something like that. And because, you know, you got to put the bread in the French onion soup. And then my cheese, the cheese topping. So I'm going to need to get cheese for French onion. I have Parmesan cheese, so I technically really don't have to. I'm going to just put cheese for soup in the event I decide to do it. And I'm going to say bread for soup. Let me tell you something I did with those canned biscuits. You remember the canned biscuits that I got from Food Line last Sunday? I actually took the canned biscuits and I folded them in half. I put some shredded cheese in the middle of them. I fold them in half and baked them in the oven. And then I brushed the top of them with garlic, was it garlic? What was it? Garlic salt or garlic seasoning and butter, honey? They was tasty. Just to change the biscuits just a little bit. So let me think. I'm going to definitely do some type of barbecue chicken and Brussels sprouts and the potatoes. We're going to do ranch chicken. We're going to do soup bowls. Shrimp bowls. Where I get soup bowls from? We're going to do... I'm thinking on camera, y'all. This ain't playing. I'm thinking on camera, so I got to think of what I'm going to do. Because, let me think. I so would love to pre-do these things. That would just be ideal for me to be able to pre-do these meals on Monday or even today, because I'm off Monday. It would be amazing. That's my bacon and my sausage. Let me go check. I'm back. I had to get my breakfast. All right. We are out of eggs, so we got to add eggs to the list. Very light breakfast. That's like one egg right there. Bacon, toast. Richard had sausage, turkey sausage, that is. So I'm going to eat, and I'll be back in a bit. I feel like I need to really wrap this up, y'all. I'm taking too long, and it's getting late. It's about to get dark in a couple of hours, and I don't want to be out at the grocery store while it's dark. So I know I need eggs, like I said. I think I might go get some mini Pepsis because I think they're buy one, get one free at Harris Teeter. So I like those. I definitely think I need some mayo. Yes, I'm going to run out to the store real quick. And if I find anything in the store, I'll let y'all know. Okay? Trying to figure out now, where do I want to go? Do I want to go to Aldi and Sam's Club and Harris Teeter? I kind of want to. Yeah. Let's see where I end up. Okay, y'all. I have to tell you, Harris Teeter was an absolute bust. The only thing I got from Harris Teeter was some flowers for my pretty Pottery Barn vase that I bought from the thrift store, and some candy. Hold on. Oh, I'm so not ready. So not ready. Sorry. I'm not that yet. Can they give me hot fries, please? Mm-hmm. Thank you. Only thing I got was the hydrangeas for the Pottery Barn glass vase. It's actually a wine decanter, but I am using it as a vase because it didn't have the wooden ball that goes to the top of it. Thank you. Check these fries. Well, fries good too. Oh, them darn fries is good. I should have got me some of them. This is Alex's food. I'm dropping my some Bojangles, honey. But y'all took a nosedive. The camera fell because I was coming around the corner. But anyway, the fries is so good. In a nutshell, I ended up getting darn near everything at Sam's Club. Is what it is, you know. And get no freaking eggs. Ah! What good is a list if you ain't looking at it? I did not get my darn eggs, y'all. The sole purpose for me doing this grocery shopping on Sunday, planning my meals, is so I'm not going to the grocery store throughout the week, okay? I'll go to the grocery store every day, which is absolutely ridiculous. I end up buying extra stuff that I don't even need. I'm going in there after work. I'm compulsive shopping, buying hungry. Something you should never do is go to the grocery store on an empty stomach, because you pick up a bunch of bull crap. I'm on the highway. Okay, so the camera's shaking a little bit. So anyway, that's the purpose for that. Now, I only got the flowers, like I said, from Harris Teeter. The candy, they had some Hershey Kisses left over from Christmas, I'm sure, and they were 75% off, so they were only like $1 and something. I'm okay with that. Shoot, they good. They still good. They chocolate. I'm eating. I'm always eating something, y'all. But that's all right. So basically, in a nutshell, let's go over what we did not get. We didn't get the Pepsi Minis. We did not get the sauce from Aldi. We did not get eggs. And I'm going to tell you what I think I'm going to do. When I leave Alex's house, I think I'm going to swing by Aldi on my way home. I'm trying to get to, girl, I got to get to Starbucks to get my buy one, get one free drink, honey. I already told y'all about it. By the time y'all see this video, it's going to be too late. But they were doing buy one, get one free. If y'all jump off that dashboard one more time. What the hell, Sarah, is going on with y'all? I don't know what's going on with my Temu holder. It's been working fine, and now it want to keep popping off the dash. Anyway, I ain't got time for it. You know what? You'll be surprised how many people are just doing the same thing. Going to the grocery store every day after work. Foolishness. And we ain't gonna talk about the Sam's Club shoppers. I love me some Sam's Club, but I can't stand the people that's walking around in Sam's Club like zombies, like they don't know what the hell they supposed to be coming there to get. Okay, get you a list and get the heck out my way. I just be like, y'all is just standing here looking at each other stupid. It's the move. I wanted to say it so bad today. Move! People just standing there. The husband goes to the butter thing. He opens the butter thing. He stands there stuck on stupid. Darn if the wife don't walk right in front of me and do the same motherfucking thing. I said, y'all know what? Both of y'all about to get on my nerves. Both of y'all about to get on my last nerve. Okay, I got both of my buy one, get one free drinks. The Caramel River Crunch Frappuccinos. Got Richard one. Got me one. Hope you all got yours. I don't think I'm stopping. I think I'm gonna head home because our drinks are gonna be mushy. Okay, I am back at home and I spent $159 and some change. And this is what I got. I got 4 cases of Aquafina water. They were $5.68 a piece, I believe. So I got a large bag of chicken wings. I got 2 of these. One is the honey ham, uncured honey ham, and then 4 peppered turkey breast. This is lunch meat, quite a bit of lunch meat. Have you ever tried this lunch meat before? It's good. I haven't tried the peppered, so I'm curious about that, but the turkey's gonna be for my husband, the ham's gonna be for me. I always like their orange juice, so it's 2 for like $5 and some change. That's a great deal to me because it does taste good. I got the frozen broccoli florets. You know, I've talked about this in other prior videos. These are 4 16-ounce microwavable bags of broccoli, and they're very good quality broccoli. It's not stringy. It's a good quality broccoli, and it's florets. So I love to purchase this. I love to purchase the frozen green beans, but they didn't have any frozen green beans, so I had to get the cans of green beans. I got mayo because I had to get some mayo. I got butter. I always buy the salted butter. I have purchased this Colby and Monterey Jack cheese before. It does good. Of course, Hidden Valley Ranch. Got some Rice Krispie treats. I also bought a thing of granola bars, but that went to Alex. And some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Now, you know I bought some last week, but I can't have too much boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And let's see how much they were per pound at Sam's Club. Yeah, not as good as last week, but you know, I'm still okay with it. That's what I got for this haul. Now, y'all, I really feel like I need to go to Aldi. I'm going to go to Aldi, or I'm going to go to my neighborhood Walmart, and I'm going to pick up my Pepsis, and I'm going to get my eggs, because I'm looking at the weather. They're calling for weather, and I already know how these North Carolinians do. They clean the stores out, and there won't be anything, so I probably need to go try to get it now. Yeah, I did get our drinks. Classy people, it's Friday night. Is this closet door always open, or is it just me? The pantry door is always open. Let me give y'all an update. It's Friday, y'all. We done went all the way through the week, and Crystal has not picked up the camera. But I do want to give y'all an update on the meal plan. What did we actually do this week? Let's see if I can go back in time and remember. One of the nights, I can't even remember, okay? But I did do the loaded potatoes, and I believe I did sub sandwiches. That's right. That's what I did. And one night, we did chicken quesadillas with cheese sauce, and we did the Bill's Pizza Pub place for Thursday night. Actually ordered my husband his own pizza and my own pizza. Very nostalgic place. My sisters and my mom, we used to go there on Friday nights over 40 years ago and eat this pizza. My sister and I, we went because my mom and my other sister is gone to be with the Lord, and we enjoyed the pizza. It tastes the same after 40 years. I actually posted it on Instagram for Crystal's Classy Life. If you're not following me there, go check me out over there, Crystal's Classy Life. My business page is Classy Accents. That's where I do a lot of my posting, but I'm trying to do more things related to YouTube over on Crystal's Classy Life, so Classy Accents can just be solely my business. And then tonight, we did the French onion soup and ham and cheese sandwiches with lettuce, tomato, and onion. I did use the Gouda cheese that I got from Aldi. I do like the way that it tastes, and I tried something different. I did the cheese and garlic croutons from Aldi on the French onion soup. Quite tasty. We'll do that again. It eliminated me having to do the French bread. Yeah. So that is it. I'm going to close out this vlog. I hope you all enjoyed just chilling and hanging with me on Sunday. I was just in the streets, y'all. Just chilling, hanging out, and talking to y'all like y'all was riding in the car with me. I love you all so much. I hope y'all have an amazing weekend, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.